Hello, today I'm teaching you how to do the heisty style hat throw. However, I'm going to use a football just like this.
120 million views! I cannot believe it! 9 million likes! He's just a football player, what's happening?
Opa! Aperta o play, Neymar!
First, you need to find a 3D model. The easiest way to do that is just like this. You go to YouTube and just search up football 3D ball spin, then use the first short that pops up. Now add the video into CapCut. Change the aspect ratio to 1:1. Next, go to Remove Background and click on Chroma Key and select the green area of the video. Here is an important detail. When you are making a 3D spin, you have to add a moving background. I used a moving newspaper footage. You can add any type of fast background. Now add the background to your video. Now you have to match the speed of the football with the speed of the background. Here's another step to make your football look more 3D. You can add a shadow. You can learn the way to add a shadow on CapCut by watching this video. Now, after you add a shadow, you can add a glow to make your edit look more sexy. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you can be the next best editor. By the way, can you subscribe so I can hit 1,000 subscribers? I love y'all, and as always, I'll see you in the next edit.